Hello to my already subscribers. If not already, hit that subscribe button, baby. Come on, join the team. All right, now it's gonna be a quick video, cause baby, I am tired. Oh, this week, little wonky, but it's February, and I'm gonna be excited. So I got this Boxy Charm package in the mail. Okay, and we gonna see what they got up in store here. Okay. Now, thank God for twins times two. Definitely twins times two. But, now, I'm sorry. I lost train of thought because I opened the package and I knew it seemed kind of light, right? A little light. A little light. Why open this and this is what's in this box? What is that? What is this? I don't know why I watch people's spoilers, because it looked like it was a palette in here. I don't have a palette. I don't even why open this box? Why open this box? I knew I shouldn't open this box. Today, oh my God, I shouldn't open up this box. I'm on here trying to tell myself, girl, still make this video. Whew, give me a moment. I need to compose myself. A little hot about. I don't got time for this. This is about to be a real quick video. Apparently, it's real quick. Thank God I don't got enough time. So where's the card at? I don't. So, whatever. Okay. So today we have intense eye cream. Okay. Day and night eye cream. I don't know. I'm not going to use that. I'm tired of getting face products. I want makeup products. I'm trying to do my face. I'm trying to learn to be more in tune with my femininity or whatever. I am such a tomboy. All right. This is Moisture and Shine Cream. Supernova. Whatever that means. This Supreme Leave-In Condition. Oh, leave-in cream weightlessly conditions, tames frizz and heat protects for touchably soft hair that's full of shine. It's time for me to take out these nappy little twist lock things that I got going on, baby. Now this is something that is kind of cool, right? Because I can do bake and contour detail, right? I can use that. Boxy. Okay. And last and behold. Oh, shoot. What's this? I don't know. It's got a little dragon up on it. Oop. Well, okay. Whatever. Like I said, quick video. Queeve is on me, baby. It's on me, baby. Simple, not for retail. I don't know how much this costs. I'm sorry, Boxy Charm lovers. Boxy Charm, I don't know what y'all did this month, but this ain't it, baby. I don't even have a card in here. No wonder I got my package so early. Y'all must didn't like the review I gave y'all, huh? Well, maybe I should drop the other videos that I first tried. Now this is freaking hot. Yes. Okay, the Paris Hilton in me came out, baby. Let me see what we working with. Okay. Kind of like the lipstick, though. There's a dry matte. I need a pencil. I don't like how this looks. You know what? I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm not about to lay down in my bed. Okay? But this lipstick, your girl loves red. What can I say? Red is it. This is a matte liquid lip stain. Well, darling, stain my lips because I'm gonna go to sleep with this on. Probably not. I got some makeup wipes over here. And lastly, but not least, Pretty Vulgar again. Whoa. Hopefully this is not concealer. Extreme Volume. Ooh. Ooh. This is freaking pretty. Okay, this is pretty. This is cute. I'm keeping this though. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this. Cause I don't own no mascara. That other one, that thing was big. Oh, you know what? Do I want to? You know what? You need mascara, right? Okay, I don't see a difference, honestly. I wear mascara, but I wear clear mascara, so Pretty Vulgar. I am really not impressed. I'm sorry. It ain't popping. So I think I came up with a conclusion of I'm done ordering Boxy Charm, canceling my subscription. Some things just ain't for me. Now, things that I like would have been like some liners or something of that nature, but I've gotten enough products because this is what, my fourth Boxy Charm. So I've gotten enough products to figure out what I want to do, what I need, whatever, and etc. Because this last month, y'all on some BS. Y'all on some BS. But I'm about to take my mess to bed. Okay, I don't have time for this. Thank you for tuning in. I am sorry to disappoint you, Boxy Charm lovers, but baby, this month surprise was a surprise. This is why I don't like surprises. I hate surprises, especially surprises that I buy. So, you guys have a great, lovely day while I go get some sleep and slave at my job. Okay. And it's snowing outside. Welcome to February.